Mũrũngamĩrĩri wa kambuni ya Ûtongeria ya Safaricom no Peter NDEGWA na njũkĩtie na ndi obisi ya mũnene wa cukuru University ya MERU nĩyo MERU University of Science and Technology. NDEGWA njũkĩtie Ûtongeria Bwa nyuma ya kũgwetwo nĩ Rais Ruto tawe Chancellor w'ũmweru wa cukuru ĩngĩ ngũgĩra yambĩrĩtie mweri wa 11 mwaka mũthiru. NDEGWA akagwatĩra gĩtĩ gĩkĩ kwa kĩbindi kĩa mĩaka 5. Mũkirimithĩkano karĩ kĩathone gĩkĩ gatũmenyithie nkũrũke.
Of the profound impact that we have had jointly as the various organs of the university leadership on the fabric of our university. Stakeholders, it's your passion, your dedication, and your unwavering belief in the transformative power of education that has made this journey so remarkable.
Programs such as Women in Technology, but also Safaricom engineering community will be able to help us partner better in order to make MERU University a critical hub for science and technology. So beyond academic excellence, Safaricom places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability. We recognize the importance of addressing climate change by taking meaningful actions that pave way for greener, more sustainable future. One such initiative is a tree growing exercise. I appreciate the effort and commitment to the environment conservation that you have already exercised, Dr. Mwangi, in terms of how we can conserve and actually take this agenda even forward. Beyond tree growing, through Safaricom Foundation, we'll also explore other opportunities for community extension projects in partnership with MERU universities, such as health and education. I look forward to engaging the University Council and the management on areas we can find to ensure the university is self-sustaining.